So good question. So it's funny and it's weird also because I use up with my father and two with my mom, and but it varies. Like typically, it's only up. All the kids usually will use up. The place I grew up in my region, it's you're more closer to mom, right? I love generally, right? I mean, you love your mother more, so right? I mean, but I could never explain it, but I just saw my surroundings, and that's how I learned it, right? So I use up with my father because I'm scared, and two with my mom. But yeah, typically you will use up for both, and that's generally the trend.